Hello everybody. Today we will continue our third chapter, HTML, images in HTML. I hope you will remember. Handling images in HTML. We already covered how to insert image, how to give horizontal line. If you remember our last session, we also see the height and width attribute of image, how to we can insert image and how we can minimize or maximize that image. We will insert image in our page, HTML page. Then we will also insert multiple images in a single page. If you remember, there is our one demo of the images. We will insert a different images. Today we will see embedding images various format. I hope you will be able to read these lines. Are you able to read this line? If you are textbook, open your page number 11. Embedding images of various format: bitmap, GIF, JPG, PNG, TIF. These all are the different format. Today's our new topic is, before going to start our new topic, we just underline this line. Digital cameras and web pages normally use JPG or JPG files. If you remember, when we insert image in our web page, at that time when I was write image src equal to JPEG, we can write JPG in place of JPEG. This format drastically compress the data in the files. The images formats JPG and JPG are good for continuously turned images such as the photographs. Commercially, TIFF format TIFF format images are used very much as they were offer higher quality and good amount of compression of the images with a image with minimum loss. TIFF format is actually one of the good lossless images formats. Other file formats such as GIF and PNG also use the lossless compression technology. However, PNG format is comparatively slow in reading and writing. That's why the JPG image format is the best for the creating web pages. Even we are see a new topic, images as a hotspot. Now you are familiar with this word hotspot. What is hotspot? Will you please tell me? Now we are living in Corona, right? Corona, the hotspot area of the Surat, which is the most hotspot area of the Surat for Corona. Exactly. Now Katargam is the most hotspot area as per my knowledge. Maybe there are every day the area is different as a hotspot. But in our web page, we are creating a hotspot. We are using images as a hotspot. Many times the browser will take some time to load the big image. Above this, when we have multiple images on one or more pages, it will confusing for user that which image should be considered first. Exactly, if there are 10 images in your same page, user will confuse which image will become first. How can we load image? Have you noticed some online shopping sites for books, jewelry, mobile phone and other such items? On a single page, you might have seen small images of many items displayed with brief information of each. When you find a particular item increasing, you may click the small image to go to the page containing detailed information as well as bigger, good quality image and selected item. Suppose I want to give you example. Suppose when we select any image, suppose we will open www.amazon.in. Suppose we want to purchase mobile. Now when I click on mobile, which type of mobile I want to purchase, the rate should be come to the left side. Are you able to see? See which type of Redmi company, which company you want to select. Suppose Redmi, the images of Redmi will become. Now there are multiple images. The when you click on any image, the picture regarding that image will be open. If you again click here, see the big image is displayed here. All the information regarding this image will become here. So this is called bigger and bigger. Just wait, text will come. So you can see that here the image is considered as a hot text because we are click on an image and then the information regarding it will be open here. If you remember hypertext, when we click on that text, the information regarding that page will be open. Here we are seeing either you can go to office or go to temple. We are using here image for linking between it. Now here we are creating a 4 files for it. See, there is a temple, office. See, observe that to complete the above example you require images and 3 HTML files. Office file which will be write some picture and information about the office. Small temple BMP, a small image of temple in BMP format. Office BMP, office picture. When we create all these type of files, means 7 HTML files should be there. Big temple, big office, main. In main file, we will link all these another files. You may try to add some more small images in main pages. Small images are also identified as a thumbnails. In this hot image topic, we will be learn or familiar about how to create a web page with multiple pages and multiple images. This is a really very important topic of this chapter. So you should be practice of this topic. In this topic, we will create a image as a hotspot. What is meant by image as a hotspot? That means when we click on an image, it will be click and open another page. So which